We are here at 381 Chiat Road because you need help choosing a toilet bowl. And I'm getting an American Standard expert to guide us through. So we are going to that building, which actually has 3 toilet brands inside. So let's go check it out. So this showroom is located at level 2. It actually opened last year and it actually houses the largest collection of American Standard products here in Singapore. So let's go find our expert. Hey, hi Ivan.
Hi.
Oh, I heard that you are an expert here and been around for more than 10 years, right?
That's right.
So maybe you can share more about what American Standard is?
Alright, American Standard is a leading brand in providing full bathroom solution and it's particularly well known in its ceramics category.
Okay, so how long has American Standard been around?
The brand is celebrating its 150 years anniversary.
150 years ah?
That's right, you heard me right, 150 years. So it's really a brand that has gone through the test of time and you can be assured that you know what it takes to make a good toilet.
Wow. Let's go check it out.
Right. So this is where we display all American Standards WC.
Wow, there's so many different sizes, design, but I know nowadays got different functions and technology as well. So maybe you can guide our audience, like how can we choose, where do we start?
Indeed, many considerations to take in deciding what is the right WCs for you. So let me break it down for you, right? Walking through with you the types of WCs that we have. Okay, so bringing your attention to this piece over here. This is a closed carpet WC, right? Simple terms, it means 2-piece, right? The tank is separate from the bowl. So the pros about this is that it's a more affordable option usually, right? But the bad thing about it is that, you know, when you have a 2-piece joining together, there's always join lines like that, which makes additional space for dust to settle. So that makes maintenance a little bit more tricky, you know.
All the grime will grow inside the gaps and all those things. True.
So that's closed carpet, and this is a 1-piece. So the difference between 1-piece and a closed carpet is that this provides you with a very sleek appearance. You know, it's minimalist. The downside of it is that, because of the sleek design, it's usually priced higher than closed carpet. So another type of WC that we have is wall hung. As you can see from this piece over here, it's not installed into the ground. You know, it's suspended onto the wall. This saves you a little bit of floor space. It makes cleaning a little bit easier. Maybe I'll walk you through some of the considerations that you should take when you are considering what is the right size or design, right? So we start with size first. For your toileting area, it's important for you to do that measurement before you decide on WC, right? The depth that you have, the width that you have, right? So you want to be able to walk up to the WC, open it up and very, very comfortably sit down. You know, you don't want to be constrained in any way, left, right. When you sit down, you know, have your leg open, you know, so you do that measurement so that you can be very, very comfortable during the experience in the bathroom. The second consideration is what we call the rough-in distance. Right, so the rough-in distance refers to the distance between the wall to the center of that trap. Right? So because of the different designs of WCs, you know, some can cater for a specific range, some can cover a wide range, some for a very, very limited range. Right? So depending on the rough-in distance, you may want to check that suitability so that, you know, it can fit into your toileting area. Okay, right now let me walk you through the technologies that American Standard bowls have to offer. The fun part. Hygiene clean system. This is traditional, you know, we used to have toilet like that over the past decade. It comes with that rim. Alright, here you can see that it's really rim free. So when we clean, we pour our agents, we brush. Hard to reach area, forget it. It's one fine day that you happen to drop the ring in your bathroom, and now pick it up, and then you look and then you say, oh my god. What happened? By then it's really tricky to clean it off because the mark is really permanent. Right? So over here with hygiene rim, it's rimless. You know, what you see is what you get. It makes cleaning really a lot easier. Okay, so the next I will talk about the flushing technologies on American Standard. We have what we call double vortex flushing, which is a powerful swirling flush that use minimal water to efficiently clean off all the waste in a single flush.
Wow.
You can see here, for example, there is two holes over here.
Okay.
So every time you flush, water is gushing out with pressure, creating a whirlpool effect within the bowl.
So this is why there's double vortex now. So there's one coming out from here and one coming out from here.
Correct. Okay, so right now I will go into the coating technologies that we have.
Coating.
Right. So first up is aqua ceramics. Aqua ceramics is a hydrophilic coating that we apply to the WC. It's almost like a glass coating that you have on your cup. So when it rains, when dust got onto the surface, when you pour water onto it, all the dirt easily slides off. Yeah. So it's a similar technology that we apply to the WC so that the dust or the dirt does not stick to the surface, and it can be easily cleaned away with the water. Other coating that we have is our antibacterial coating. So this is fired into the ceramics at the factory level throughout the bowl. So with this antibacterial coating, you can be assured that bacteria will not continue to grow. It does not kill, but it inhibits bacterial growth on the
stay
WC.
there. Yeah.
Correct. It doesn't allow it to manifest.
Thrive there. Okay.
Yeah.
I think my homeowners will definitely ask, how long will this coating last?
Because it's fired into the ceramics, it's meant to last for 100 years.
Wow,
on
100
paper.
years.
Yeah.
Okay.
But of course, there needs to be some care instruction to take note of. Yeah. So for our customers, we usually give them a set of care instructions when they purchase from us. This is our bidet. So it's a manual bidet that can be easily retrofitted into American standard WCs. So basically, it doesn't require any electricity. You can just plug it onto your water valve, and it serves you two options. You know, a rear spray, which cleans after we defecate, and you also have a lazy spray.
Wow, so I learned so much from you, Ivan. There's so many things to consider. So guys, you heard him. When you want to choose toilet bowl, you can think about all these things that we have learned today. So do come down to their American Standard showroom, newly opened at Chiat Road. So thank you so much, Ivan, for all your advice and tips, right? So remember to get out, Okay, thanks guys, bye.